Hey guys, Versace here today, and today I'm going to be making a video about uncommon places that people rarely go. So, let's just get straight into the video. Also, I gotta tell you something. Isn't my look the best look ever that you ever seen in Animal Jam? It's just so cute. Look at it. Just look at it. And look at my pet. It's so cute too. So, the first spot I want to show you will be in Temple of Zios in the temple. So if you go up here, this is one of my favorite spots because the top of Chamber of Knowledge, you can see the stars and there's like cool beta stuff. And wait, can you light these? Can you light these? Oh, I never knew you can light those. I've been playing since I was 8. I never knew you can light those. So anyways, this is my favorite spot in the game. I just like how it's so detailed and like the stars and stuff. I come here to talk to people and stuff and like trade, and the reason I like it is because it's so detailed, and they have a store up here too. So like I used to collect like statues, like the gold and green ones, I think. Yeah, anyway, those, and I used to put them in my den. So that's one part of the uncommon places. So the second part will be in Kambara. Wasn't it called Kambara Outback before? I don't know, but it will be in Kambara. So if you go down, across this way, up this hill, and into here, Outback Imports, I rarely see anybody in here. Like, I rarely see anybody in here. So I like it because there's like cool stuff. There's like a emu egg, there's vases, basically like people that built stuff, like not like futuristic stuff, but like stony stuff, you know what I mean? So yeah, these are cool items. The telescope, I thought that was beta, so I traded a lot for it once I got scammed for it. I thought the stone vanity was beta too, and ooh, the small trampoline. Okay, do not get scammed with this item, okay? Because Shop King got scammed with this item too, so just letting you know. Okay, so the third area will be going to Kambara again. Alright, so Gabby's Animal Hospital. I barely see anybody here. I only see people here to buy stuff in there for a roleplay, or to be in here for a roleplay. Like, yeah, so it's really cool. I like Gabby's Animal Hospitals because they show you like real videos about stuff. Oh my god, isn't that dog just so cute? That dog is so cute. That dog was so cute. Okay, so the reason I like it in here too is because the videos and the pictures. The pictures are also funny. Like, look at that seal. That seal is just hilarious. That seal That seal reminds me of the person I used to talk to, but I no longer talk to her because what she did to me was wrong. Horrible wrong. She could have told me what she had done. But, anyways, yeah, I'm on something. The fourth spot for today's video will be in Crystal Sands. The reason I'm picking Crystal Sands is because there's a little hut. To be honest, I didn't expect so many people in here because I don't know. A lot of people just don't come here. That's in my opinion. A lot of people don't come here. I like it because when I first started, I used to play the claw here, and the first time I heard that there was rare plushies in here, I was like, oh, okay, let's get on this. And yeah, you can make smoothies in here too. My favorite is banana because my favorite fruit is a banana, if you didn't know. So the fifth spot in today's video will be in the Temple of Zios again. Alright, let's just go in there. Let's go into the first. I don't see nobody in the Chamber of Knowledge. You can like look on these books and get stuff. Oh, I didn't know you could put that too. That's kind of cool. You could do the safety quiz, get the safety plaque, but you don't have to be on here to go down there to click on it. You can go to your house. You can go anywhere, right? All you gotta do is just click right there, and you'll be in here, right? So when I first came down here, I was so amazed, but a lot of people know it to this day. So just like click around and you'll see the store. So do not get scammed off of these items because these items are right here, and please do not scam with these items, please. So yeah, there's the chamber lamp, the chamber candle, and the chamber scrolls. So that's my favorite spot of all time in this game. So the last spot for today's video will be in Sapira Forest, or Sapiria. I don't know how you say it, but the forest, okay? So if you click on your shop icon and go to the little area with the hut over it, go in there, and it's the flag shop. Oh my god, the most coolest spot in Animal Jam. I think this is my third favorite spot in Animal Jam because a lot of people don't come here. A lot of people don't know this spot, and the reason I like it is because it's so cool. It's like so cool. A lot of people should be coming in here to like buy stuff and like make a den with flags and to trade in. So you can click on the flags to buy them. So too bad for non-members, because mostly you can buy anything in here for non-members, but they don't have all the flags in here in the world. So for non-members, I'm sorry if you can't buy the peace flag, the offensive flag, or the pirate flag. To be honest, I like all of the flags. I like, oof, wait. Oh, that's my favorite flag. That's my favorite flag. Or, hold on. Oh, the king's my favorite flag too. So, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will be making a video next week about something. Just give me ideas in the comments below, and thank you guys for watching.